Number 1 is telling us that the average of j numbers is 16 and that 6 of these numbers have an average of 2. What is the average of the remaining numbers in terms of j? So don't get all freaked out just because they're giving you averages with variables. You want to do exactly what you've been doing this entire time and use our friendly NAS table, and you'll be able to get your answer in no time. So we filled it in already with the information that was given in the problem, and now we're going to want to fill it in a little more. So they want to know the average of the remaining numbers. Now, if you thought of j as a number, let's say 10, because that's my favorite number to use when we make up our own number, then there would be 4 numbers remaining. And we got that by just subtracting 10 minus 6. So you're going to use that same process using this as a j instead of 10. So if you have j minus 6, you're just going to write it just like that. Now for our sum column, we'll do a little multiplication, and we get j times 16, which is 16j. And then we have 6 times 2, which is 12. And now the sum of the remaining is just going to be this minus this. So in general, when you are dealing with variables, sometimes your brains get a little confused. So in general, if you subtract on this side, you're going to subtract on that side. If you add on that side, you add over there. So 16j minus 12 gets put over there. And if we want the average, we know that all we have to do is divide the sum by how many? And that's just going to be 16j minus 12 divided by j minus 6. And if you reduce that down, you're going to end up with answer choice E, which is exactly this, 16j minus 12 over j minus 6.